Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, Sunshine Girls captain Janelle Fowler has thrown her backing fully behind head coach Connie Francis, following suggestions that she might step down from the role before next year's World Cup. In the heights of celebrating a historic silver medal at the Commonwealth Games a little over a week ago, Francis, in an interview with the Gleaner, said she was contemplating stepping aside before next year's World Cup due to the pressures of the job. But while speculation surfaced that the comments from Francis could be seen as a first step to negotiate better terms with Netball Jamaica, Fowler, during an interview on Smile Jamaica on Monday morning, says the team is fully behind the coach.
Has come on board and she's just been so passionate about the sport. I know that she loves this and she wants the best for us, and whatever it is that she's feeling at the moment or going through, we are definitely here for her, supporting her, and wanting her to be here with us as well going forward, but we have to respect what it is she's going through, and any decision that she makes, we have to respect that and know that if we're going out there with her, without her or not, that we're going to be playing for her as well, because she is grassroots. She has set the space for us to come up and be playing like this.
Reports have suggested that Francis is being paid $25,000 weekly to coach the national team. And Jamaican West Indies batsman Brandon King says he now has a greater understanding of what is required to play at the highest level of cricket, which has allowed him to produce more consistent performances. King's innings of 53 was pivotal to the Windies' 8-wicket win over New Zealand in their final 2020 international at Sabina Park on Sunday, as he and Shamar Brooks posted a 102-run opening stand to take the Windies to victory, having been set 146 runs to win. Speaking following what was his first international in front of his home crowd, King admitted that the initial adjustment to international cricket was tough.
I mean, experience is a big factor when it comes to my game. I feel like I understand myself more and what I need to do to score runs for the team. So I would say the mental aspect of it for me has been improved, and that has helped me.
The West Indies and New Zealand players will now travel to Barbados for the 3-match one-day international series starting on Wednesday. In football, Liverpool will hunt their 12th straight Premier League win over Crystal Palace as the two teams meet in the lone match of the EPL today at 2 p.m. Both teams are coming off disappointing performances from their opening game, as Liverpool had to come from behind twice to earn a 2-2 draw with promoted team Fulham, while Crystal Palace lost 2-0 to Arsenal. Palace have only won 5 times in their 18 meetings with Liverpool and will be looking to inflict the first opening home game defeat on Liverpool since 2003. And back home, Medforest are level on points with Real Mona at the summit of the Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association Championship following their victory in the top-of-the-table clash on Sunday. Medforest joined the Casafa Super League champions on 12 points after clipping them 1-0. In the other game from the championship, Ligani remained rooted at the foot of the table without a point after suffering their 4th defeat in 4, going down 2-1 to Central Kingston. Meanwhile, in the Major League, Police Nationals moved within a point of the top 4 as they hammered Duane Park 4-1. And goals from Loxley Thomas and Tremaine Palmer meant Marvel Uenden and Bulbe both had a share of the points in their 1-1 draw. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Javot, it's back to you.